All right, hello everybody. Welcome to the CYU here Brain Power. So using the student notes brain power attachment in this assignment and also what you learned from the lesson studying the brain, drag and drop the terms into their correct location. So you see on the left-hand side here, you have the parts of the brain and the function and purpose of those areas on the right-hand side. So first one here, responsible for mathematical skills and problem solving, controls the right side of the body. Responsible for artistic expression and nonverbal skills, controls the left side of the body. Processes visual information, located at the back of the skull. Responsible for problem solving and memories, located at the front of the skull. And deals with auditory or hearing processes, located along the sides of the skull. Your words: temporal lobe, left hemisphere, right hemisphere, frontal lobe, occipital lobe. And then extra credit if you are so interested. Give an example of how a person may study damage to an area of the brain that was discussed above.